Well, civil rights law is actually constitutional law. So what we practice here is constitutional law, that is protecting your constitutional rights. Within the civil rights world, there's civil rights in the employment law area, civil rights against government intrusions. We primarily practice in the employment world and in the police misconduct world. Most of our work is against police departments and police officers who engage in false arrest, illegal search and seizure, excess force, illegal detentions, things of that sort. The laws for protecting civil rights are both federal and state. The procedures that you have to employ differ depending upon whether you're making a state claim against state or local officers or a federal claim. If you have been arrested or if you've had a run-in with the police, you need to contact a civil rights attorney as well as a criminal attorney. Criminal attorneys don't know the basic procedures that are needed to protect your rights in the civil courts. We do. So there's things like a tort claim form that has to be filled out. We know how to fill it out, we know when it has to be filled out, and we know that if you don't fill it out, you lose some rights. The other thing about police civil liability is the decks are stacked. The police officers are the protectors of the citizens. So if you have a case against police officers or against governments for abusing your rights, you start off in the hole, no matter how good your case. You have to prove that the officer not only didn't act reasonably, but that he should have known that he wasn't acting reasonably. And that's called qualified immunity. It's something that the police have, and it's another reason why you need a specialist in constitutional law, civil rights violation, and police misconduct. We've done civil rights law for the past 16 years. We've been very successful. The average civil rights case takes several years to go through the courts, whether it's an employment-based case or a case against the police. If it's a case against zoning officials or a case against city officials acting improperly, those cases can go 3 and 4 and 5 years. So they're tough. They're not easy cases. And any attorney who tells you that they can resolve the case in 6 weeks for you is not doing you the service you should get.